Hey, want to play your guitar today? Not someday, not after weeks of practice. I mean actually play a real song today, even if you have never touched a guitar before. Sounds impossible? It's not. Let me show you how. You don't need to know music theory, read sheets of music, or understand every part of the guitar. Today is about playing, not perfection. Let's keep it fun, simple, and real. For this, all you will need is a guitar. Acoustic or electric, it does not matter. Bonus if you have a pick, but your fingers work just fine too. At first, you will have to tune your guitar. An in-tune guitar will sound better instantly. Download any free guitar tuner app, tune your string from thick to thin, E, A, D, G, B, and high E. Take a minute, it's worth it. And you will have to learn your first chord. Here is your first chord, which is E minor, the easiest and one of the most powerful. Middle finger on the second fret of the A string, ring finger on the second fret of the D string, and strum all of your 6 string. That's it, you just played your first chord. And you can add a G major, it is optional for you. For this, you have to put the middle finger on the third fret of low E, index finger on the second fret of the A, and ring finger on the third fret of the high E. It might feel tricky at first, but it's totally doable. Now you have got 2 chords, that's enough for dozen of real songs. Now it's time for your strumming pattern. Start with the basics, down, 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 down. You can also count 1, 2, 3, 4 in a steady rhythm. No need to rush, keep it relaxed and even. Now let's play a real song. There are tons of songs that use just E minor and G, like Horse with No Name, 1 by U2 and more. Use those 2 chords, follow the strumming, and boom, you are playing music. And that's it, you picked up a guitar today, tuned it, learned a chord, maybe 2, and played a real music. Not bad for day 1, right? Keep going, add a new chord tomorrow, try new songs, you're on the path. If this helped, hit like and I will see you on the next video. And if you are new on this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button also and turn on that notification bell. This much for today, thanks for watching this video.